In primetime news this evening, economic falloff, Mavis Bank businesses crippled by road breakaway, a TVJ News special report. Zozo please, volatile Clarendon community begs for social intervention and security. And later, 7 COVID-19 workplace clusters in St. Anne.
Good evening. Welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, primetime sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening. What value do you place on the National Leadership Prayer Breakfast, which is held each year?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.